Shrika, Department of Chemistry. On the previous session, I have discussed about how the batteries can be converted as in the form of primary and the secondary batteries. So, in the form of the reactant, product, and the electrolyte, both the working continues through the cell is called as a fuel cell. So now we are going to see about the how the fuel cell can be converted as in the form of flow batteries. So the flow batteries, which is nothing but the product, reactant, and the electrolyte, are continuously passes through a cell, and it will react with this combustion without the combustion of any energies, and it converts as a battery step of formation. So here the battery, which is converted as fuel plus oxygen, which gives oxidation product plus electricity. So this is the reaction how the fuel cell is converting the reactant product and the formation of fuel plus oxygen, and which gives oxidation product plus electricity. So throughout this combustion of this energy, we can convert the voltages to zero point 0.8 to 1.1 voltages. So by using these types of fuel cell, it converts the construction, which is the battery, which consists with the hydrogen as in the formation of an anode and oxygen, which is in the formation of a cathode. And with this porous electrode, which is connected to these two bridges, and the electrolyte, which is consists with the potassium hydroxide, and these two are connected to this voltmeter. Now the anode and the cathode or electrolyte, which is combined with the formation of the voltmeters and to produces the electric current. So from these reactions, we can find out how the hydrogen and the oxygen is bubbled through the anode compartment, and from this oxygen, it is bubbled through this anode compartment, which in the form of an voltaic cell. So how the voltaic cell can be carried out in the formation of the hydrogen and oxygen in the formation of an electrolyte. So here the electrolytes can be used in the form of a potassium hydroxide KOH group, and in this the OH molecule which converts the OH minus groups and gives plus groups, which will have the compression of the electrons. So both this anode and the cathode, in the formation of a porous carbon electrode, can be reacted with this formation to convert as a electrons, and it transfers the electron by using this positive and the negative ions. So here the anode and the cathode reactions, how the reactions can be carried out by using in the form of oxygen. So here the first gel which converts with this anode, that is hydrogen. The hydrogen converts as a 2H2 plus the 4 molecules of hydroxide groups. Here we are converting the hydroxide groups by using the formation of 4 molecules, that is the 2H2 plus 4OH, which gives the formation of 4H2O. Here the oxygen will convert to the same compound with the 4 molecules. So we can take it as the same functions. So 4H2O plus 4 E minus with the loss of the electrons. And with the same reaction, the cathode also will can be controlled by using the formation of an oxygen. So O2 plus 2H2O plus 4E minus, which gives 4 OH electrons. So the oxygen plus 2H2O is the conversion of a molecules and with the rate of electrons, and it will convert as O2 as it will convert as an oxygen to hydrogen group. So we can take it as a common molecule of 4, and with this OH roots. So from this anode and the cathode group, we can cancel the same reactions, and we will get this final overall reaction by using 2H2O, and we can cancel the 4H2O, and we will convert it as 2H2O. So we get as 2H2O plus O2, and we can cancel the whole electrons with the same reactions, and by the reverse reaction, we will get 2H2O plus 4H2O, also we can cancel with the same reactions. So with this, the fuel activity runs with the formation of oxygen and the hydrogen as a product reactant. With this oxidation product, we will get this energy voltages to produce the flow of the batteries. So the flow batteries which will produce the voltages of 0.8 to 1.0 voltages. So by using these batteries, we can use only in the submarines, and it can be used for the water propellant purification in the submarines, and in the aerospace industries, we can also use for the resublimation of waters and in the purification of water materials for using this fuel cell by combining this hydrogen and the oxygen molecules. So by combining this oxygen and the hydrogen molecule, we can find out whether the oscillatory formation of products in the using for aerospace and in the military space requirements for using in the formation of hydrogen and the oxygen. The volume limitations of using by using this fuel cell is the hydrogen and the oxygen. It cannot be stored as much as in the form of batteries because it gets easily covered by using in the form of the voltages produced by using as an oxygen and the hydrogen. Thank you.